I'm doing like a little over 3K per sub now.
Yeah, a lot of power.
Yeah, that's the max on them subs.
Yeah, not one.
I'm staying in the 15s, so you know it's getting their bid.
Yeah, you're getting your... Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. What's up? Hey, what's going on, man?
Good to meet you, man.
Hey, JacobViral, how you doing?
Nice to meet you, brother.
Nice to meet you. I'm doing a video right now. Nice to meet you. Thanks for watching, man. You got a system out here?
Yes, I do.
I'll have to get a demo after this. Nice. And you got back seats for a family vehicle. Yep. All right. I like it.
Everything out there seen.
Yes, sir. That looks really good. So what's in here real quick? And your name?
Sammie.
Okay.
Got 4 ZVX 15s on 2 SK 4500s, half each.
Okay. Is this a 4th order? Yep. Did you build it in the vehicle or slide in?
It come out of the S10, same box in my
The
S10.
same box, really?
Same box.
Oh, wow.
It's tuned at 36 hertz.
Okay.
I got two 350 amp alternators, Ohio generator.
Okay. Did you do any burp tests on it or SPL yet?
It's a 153.4. But I went from a 156 in the S10 to a 153.4 in here to a C-pillar.
Yeah.
So I didn't lose a whole lot.
Yeah. That's good. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
I've only had this truck for a month.
How do you like going from a wall right behind you to the C-pillar?
A lot better.
A lot better, yeah.
A lot more room.
Yeah.
1 month build.
Yeah, really good, man.
1 month, pull it out the other truck and throw it in here.
Awesome. And it was pretty convenient. You could use the same box without having it to not be able to build a new one.
Yeah.
Nice work.
I'm fixing to take them out and put 6 ZVX 12s on the same power. I think you get a lot more windier. 6, so are you going to stay C-pillar? Yep.
Okay, so you'll do 3 and 3 on each side, or how are you going to lay it out?
Just like they are now, on the bottom.
Oh,
6
okay.
should fit.
Yeah. Oh, that'll be tight, but yeah, you probably can't. Wow, that's going to be cool.
Yeah, because I'm doing like a little over 3K per sub now.
Yeah, a lot of power.
Yeah, that's the max on them subs.
Yeah, not one.
I'm staying in the 15s, so you know it's getting their bid.
Yeah, you're getting your... Really good, man.
When you want to pull it out the other truck and throw it in here.
Thank you very much, Sammy.
doubt,
Nice to
man.
meet you, man. Really good job.
Always want to holler at y'all when I see y'all.
Yes, sir. I love it. Yeah, man.